Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make sushi eel sauce. This incredibly versatile and delicious sauce is surprisingly simple to prepare right in your own kitchen. We will start by gathering just 4 common ingredients, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth cooking process. Get ready to create a rich, sweet, and savory condiment that elevates any dish. Now let's combine our ingredients. Pour 1/2 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of mirin, and 1/2 cup of sake into your small saucepan. Then, add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Whisk this mixture constantly over medium heat. It is important to keep whisking until all the sugar crystals have fully dissolved, creating a smooth base for our delicious sauce. Once the sugar is dissolved, bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer gently for about 20 minutes. During this time, the sauce will slowly reduce and thicken. You are looking for a consistency that coats the back of a spoon, indicating it has reduced by roughly 1/3 and concentrated its wonderful flavors. After 20 minutes of simmering, remove your saucepan from the heat. It is crucial to let the sauce cool down completely at room temperature. As it cools, it will naturally thicken further, reaching that perfect, glossy consistency. Once fully cooled, transfer your homemade eel sauce to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.